In this candlestick series, we will see how to identify a Marubozu candlestick formation. Hi viewers, welcome to the world of Get Trading. Marubozu is one of the widely known popular candlestick formation. If you are still confused on basics of candlesticks, please watch our previous video on charts and candlesticks. Link can be found in the I symbol above and in the description box below. Okay, in general, this comes in our mind if we think of a candlestick. This is how Marubozu looks like. You may have observed the difference. These candlesticks have no shadows or no wicks. This looks similar to a bald head which doesn't have hair at all. Actually, Marubozu means bald head in Japanese. This is the reason these types of candles are known as Marubozu. So, Marubozu can be identified as a real rectangular body without wicks or shadows on both sides. More the length, more is the buying pressure or the selling pressure depending on type of candle. Let us see how to decode these candles in any script. But before that, if you want to rely on any candlestick information, that candlestick range, that is high to low value, must be more than 1% of the script price and also less than 10% of the price. One more thing, more the time frame of the candle, more reliable it is. Now, it is correct that Marubozu should not have wicks, but slightest wicks formed candles can also be considered as Marubozu. Okay, before analyzing any candlestick pattern, previous trend should be examined whether it is a bullish or a bearish trend. But in Marubozu, it has no relation with the previous trend. This can be formed anywhere in the chart, but if formed in important places such as resistance, support or reversal, the weightage of this Marubozu will be more. Now let's see how to identify a bullish Marubozu and a bearish Marubozu. First, bullish Marubozu. It appears like this. It is generally identified by white, blue or green color. You may have seen in the introduction video, bullish candles open in below of the body. In Marubozu, we said that low of the candle itself is low. So, bottom one is open as well as low. Similarly, top of the body is closed and also the candle's high. It indicates strong buying pressure in the script. What would have happened is buyers jumped in the script as soon as it is opened and started buying with more buying pressure. So, the script has increased and straight away went up. One more thing is, it has not got any rejection from the sellers. That is because there is no wicks in the bottom or top right. There is no rejection from sellers and also the buying pressure is so much that the price closed at a considerable high itself. So, we can now say that the market is bullish in this particular candlestick and in this particular time frame. If previous trend is bullish, then this Marubozu is a signal of trend continuation. Or else, if the previous trend is bearish, then it is a trend reversal signal. Now, let's see this in a live chart. We are seeing a TCS daily chart. See here, a bullish Marubozu is formed. Ignoring these small wicks, we can consider this as a Marubozu. In general, safe traders who don't take risk will wait for the next candlestick to be bullish too and then take a position. Risk appetite traders will jump as soon as they see a Marubozu. As there is always uncertainty in market, stop loss in this kind of formation is few points below the Marubozu. Target is the previous swing's high. In future videos, we will for sure get to know how to really trade with these candlestick formations and patterns. Also, this platform which we see is of Fyers web provided by Fyers Securities Private Limited. If you wish to open your free account with Fyers, please do click on the link in the description box below and submit your details. In future, we will be publishing a lot of videos on how to use and get benefit from these kind of platforms. Okay, now Bearish Marubozu. Its formation will be like this. It is mostly identified by black or red color. Its open itself is the candle's high and its low is the candle's close. This indicates strong selling pressure in the script. How? Sellers jump in the script as soon as it is open, with no buying pressure or rejection of lower prices from bulls. The price continued falling and closed at a point where it is low of the candle too. Traders who believe that market will be bearish in coming candles too will short or sell here. For short-term traders, it is better to book profits and put their stop loss here itself. Listen carefully. Don't ever consider this Marubozu in lower time frames like 5 minutes, etc. Please don't use this for intraday setups. So, now you may have a question. When we cannot short sell a security in equity market, what is the use of knowing this bearish Marubozu? Well, whoever has a position can exit by seeing this, or we can even go and participate in futures and options of the same script. Okay, let's see about bearish Marubozu on live chart. You can see here, this is a bearish Marubozu. With additional confirmations, if you are sure about this script fall in future, you can take positions in the future market of Tata Motors. As said earlier, conservative traders wait for the next candle to be bearish too and then enter. But aggressive traders enter as soon as a bearish Marubozu is formed in an important place. Stop loss should be few points above this Marubozu candle. So, this is all about Marubozu. Let us meet in our next candle formation video. Next candlestick formation will be doji, which is a very interesting topic. Please stay in touch, like, share and comment. Do subscribe to our channel and please consider opening your free Fyers account through us. Have a happy, safe and profitable trading.